bantu mwe abantu bitu bambara ba foot soldiers bambara buli omwe nalaba video yanje nane nkushaba ojimpikize deputy president witu owa Western Uganda Mama Jore tukamushaba mugisha. Many people abantu bingi Mama Jore Western Uganda deputy president balioni ba complaininga aba registration electoral registration ezion gendo misho okuregisteringa abantu omunkalala z'abatoranyi abakalulu 2026. People in Western Uganda are complaining, not even in Western Uganda, even in Eastern Uganda. Videos zilioni zitratting media has zilioni zitambra media bakwereka ngo ahantu hakubire hari electoral registration, electoral commission registration balioni bataho NRM registers voter. Balioni bataho enkalala zaba NRM, especially in Katete. In Katete, I have seen foot soldiers from Balala complaining about that issue. Mama Jole Pantushaba ofunenje liwa kubasa kwatagana muna na secretariat ahachitebe mulebe nje liwa kubasa kusolvinga that issue about foot soldiers in Mbalala town na nokuleba ngu buli polling station hachiri ba foot soldiers they can get some people abantu na muno abali omukunga sector omukunga sector balebeke ngu bagenda polling station bakucheckinga those issues bana let us solve those issues before it's too late. That's how the strategic Mzee Museveni and his group they are doing now to okwiba karuru kwatandikire kandi kurya higuru ata handa akubire hari okuregisteringa kwa electoral commission enkalala z'abaronzi zabakwenda kutera karuru bayoni bataho NRM voters register so that ingwezo voters register nzobaraye zunise nzobaraye yambise omukalulu akakwenda kwiza bayoni biba kalulu already bayibira kalulu bakiba kalulu bakwanga ku register ku renewinga our national ID bayiba kalulu kubara abantu omu national census hati bayoni biba kalulu omwanya go ku registeringa in electoral voters register bayoni ba registeringa omu NRM voters register. Please our Mama Jole look at this issue especially in Western Uganda akubande bile videos mwe ezaba foot soldiers bakugira ngu waza Katete polling stations oli kwenda ku checking your name in voters register ni bakwereka voters register ya NRM ko kugeza ogamba bakugira ngu aha ebya electoral commission tibikora ni hakora ebya NRM byonka. So please guys twenda really mulebeke ngoje nshonga yagambwako and our secretariat please let us leka tulonde nje tukubasa kukora mwe kintu eki leka tulebe nje tukubasa kutetenkanyamu tukaleba ngo kintu kyayemerera as soon as possible. NRM bali ha ground balioni bibaka ruro already balioni bibaka ruru registers zabezo ijuka ngo bakashoboza kale enambe y'abantu aba registering bakwereka ngo NRM voters register bakatugambira bani ni how many millions of Ugandans aba registering zo mu NRM registers voters wachitikiza shaheji ate bitaboni byo bimwe niyo bagaruire ahana nkeja ground abantu mu mwanya go ku registeringa kutera karuru balioni ba registering ngo bitabo bya NRM. So abantu mwena bajya ground aba NUP please this is not time to rest, this is the time to work, this is the time to work because we don't have any time now. This is ogomwaka no mwaka gwa politics no mwaka gwo kurondo bururu. So when we sleep at this time it means we are losing.